Imagine a drone that never needs to land, powered only by the sun, silently watching India's borders 24/7 for days. The Indian Army just dropped 168 crore rupees on these game-changing solar-powered spy drones from a homegrown startup. This development, announced in early 2026, involves the procurement of the Medium Altitude Persistent Surveillance System, or MAPS, from Bengaluru-based startup NewSpace Research and Technologies. The move not only enhances India's defense posture amid escalating border tensions, but also underscores a shift towards sustainable indigenous technology. To understand the context, India's defense strategy has long emphasized robust surveillance to counter asymmetric threats, infiltration, and territorial incursions. Traditional UAVs, reliant on batteries or fuel, have limitations in endurance and operational logistics, often requiring frequent recharges or refueling that can compromise missions in remote areas. The Indian Army has inducted various drones in recent years, including loitering munitions and kamikaze systems worth over 5,000 crore rupees post-Operation Sindoor, but these are typically short-duration assets. The introduction of solar-powered UAVs marks a departure from this paradigm, leveraging renewable energy to enable near-continuous operations. The MAPS UAV, developed under the Innovations for Defense Excellence, or iDEX initiative, is a solar-electric hybrid drone capable of operating at medium altitudes, typically between 5,000 and 15,000 feet. Its design integrates photovoltaic panels that harness solar energy during daylight, storing excess power in onboard batteries for nighttime or cloudy conditions. This allows the drone to remain airborne for extended periods, potentially days or even weeks, without the need for landing or human intervention. Equipped with high-resolution electro-optical and infrared sensors, synthetic aperture radar, and real-time data transmission capabilities, the MAPS can provide round-the-clock intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance, or ISR, over critical border regions. The drones will be deployed along sensitive borders, enhancing early warning systems and reducing the reliance on manned patrols in harsh environments. Why is this a game-changer? First, endurance is transformative. Conventional drones like the Israeli Heron or indigenous Switch UAVs offer flight times of 24 to 36 hours at best, necessitating multiple units and support infrastructure. Solar-powered systems, by contrast, minimize downtime, enabling persistent coverage that can detect troop movements, smuggling, or terrorist activities in real time. This is crucial in contested areas where adversaries like China have ramped up drone usage, as seen in recent LAC standoffs. Second, sustainability and cost efficiency play a key role. Solar energy reduces fuel dependency, lowering operational costs by up to 70% compared to fossil fuel-based UAVs. In logistically challenging border zones, where supply chains are stretched, this translates to fewer missions aborted due to energy constraints. Environmentally, it aligns with global trends toward green defense technologies, cutting carbon emissions and supporting India's net zero goals by 2070. Third, it bolsters strategic autonomy. By sourcing from a domestic startup, India reduces import vulnerabilities. Currently, over 60% of its UAV fleet is foreign-sourced. This order stimulates the defense startup ecosystem, potentially spurring exports and collaborations. NewSpace's success could inspire similar innovations in anti-drone systems, as seen with recent 100 crore rupee orders for Indrajal's counter-UAV tech. Moreover, the technology has broader applications. Beyond military use, solar UAVs could aid disaster response, agricultural monitoring, or maritime surveillance, integrating with India's growing space and drone sectors. However, challenges remain. Solar efficiency drops in low-light conditions, necessitating advanced battery tech, and cybersecurity risks must be mitigated against jamming or hacking. Thanks for watching. If you found the video insightful, hit the like button and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.